We didn't have the sleet today like we did yesterday, but we did have some rain.
What a weekend, huh?
Boy, wasn't it?
Crazy. Yeah, sleet and snow yesterday, sunshine and 65 degrees today. That is Texas weather for you. That may have been our only winter that we'll see all season. Of course, it was warm enough yesterday that none of that stuck. Didn't really have any driving problems or anything. Just kind of nice for the kids to see. Kind of rare. Rainfall totals. Now, once the warm air moved in this morning early, all of that frozen precipitation turned to rain. And so we did see some actually decent rainfall totals out of this system before it finally moved out of here this morning. 0.4 of an inch out in Llano County and in Mason County and in Burnett County. Metro area, most we saw was about 1/3 of an inch around Travis County. And then the system picked up a little bit more moisture off to the east and dropped 0.4 of an inch in Caldwell County and Bastrop County, 1/2 inch in Lee County, and LaGrange coming in with 1.06. Fantastic. If we can get these systems every 2 to 3 days, even if they just dump this amount of rainfall, we'll eventually get out of this drought. Out there today, skies have become clear and sunny. Going to be a completely clear sunset. Live view from our downtown camera. 63 degrees in Austin right now. At 8 o'clock tonight, 55. At 10 p.m. tonight, 52. So we have said goodbye to the cold air. In fact, you won't believe how warm it's going to be on Valentine's Day tomorrow. We'll look at that forecast in a minute. Pretty warm out in Marble Falls right now, 69 degrees. 68 in Llano, 66 in Burnett. Metro area temperatures low and mid-60s at this hour. Our eastern counties also mainly in the low 60s, actually some upper 50s in many locations. The skies were last to clear in this area, so that's why it's a bit cooler. 63 at Mabry and Clear, 64 mostly clear out at ABIA. Winds east at 5 and south-southeast at 9, and sunset tonight is 6:18. 4 things in the pollen count today, but the rain really washed a lot of it out of the air, so everything's low. Mold, elm, ash, and very, very small amount of cedar. Around Texas, there's the cooler air to the north and northeast. Warm air is beginning to take over once again. 66 out in San Angelo, 65 degrees out in the Midland area right now. Our system that brought us the wintry precipitation over the weekend and then the rain early today has already moved east into the Gulf and Louisiana. Our attention already turning to our next one. Yes, they are still lined up out here, and it is rolling right down the California coast right now. And this southern branch of the jet stream we've been talking so much about lately is going to remain active. It looks like right now through the last day of February. So every 2 to 3 days, we're expecting another system like this one to bring us at least a little rain. And this next one moving down California comes here on Wednesday. So let's go hour by hour between now and then. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and it is going to be fantastic. We're talking about mid-70s, plenty of sunshine tomorrow, but we'll quickly cloud up. By rush hour Wednesday morning, we'll have low clouds, maybe some light rain in the area. Some strong thunderstorms may develop according to our computer model east of Austin, but then this is getting close to the lunch hour on Wednesday. The system's already beginning to clear the state with sunshine breaking out. Then we'll have a dry day Thursday. Then our next system could make it rain as early as Friday. Tonight, the overnight low temperatures should only fall back into the 40s across the area. And then tomorrow, Valentine's Day, boy, this is fantastic. Look at those mid-70s across the board for your high temperatures tomorrow. Now, we may have some problems with fog late tonight and first thing in the morning, 47 the low, starting the day with some fog, maybe some dense fog, but that should lift, and it should turn out to be a pretty afternoon tomorrow. And again, that high temperature about 75. Then the system in here on Wednesday brings us a 50% chance of mainly morning rain and possible thunderstorms. And then temperatures cool just a little bit Thursday. And then the next system with a chance of some rain or some thunderstorms Friday into Saturday morning. Then a break Sunday. Then the next system with a chance on Monday. This is exactly the kind of pattern we've needed, huh?